Just wanted to walk you through our website today, all the incredibly useful resources that you have as a member, and some of the information on the website as well too, and how you kind of navigate the websites. So on the front facing page on the top, you have obviously the 2021 IWCA convention. It's in Las Vegas, Golden Nugget, January 25th through the 30th. Click here and you can register now. Price is still early bird registration pricing, so get in there now and take advantage of that. All these links to any of these things that you want to look through. History, board of directors and the committees are really important. Board of directors, all their email addresses are actually on there. So if you want to email any of these folks and ask questions for your business as a mentor, you can absolutely do that. They're always willing to talk to you. Committees, if you haven't been a part of the committees as a member, these are really useful for education, not only for yourself, but they actually give back to the other members of the association as well. So we have a convention committee that organizes the convention every year, class committee that talks about class information and issues and talks through tools to develop for you, membership and recruitment, education and safety committee, and the social media committee too. And you can read some of their committee minutes down at the bottom. So get trained, that section has campus IWCA links, our online portal for online learning. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. Safety certification classes that you can talk about. Those are online now as well on campus IWCA. Our BASP, our Certified Instructor and Training Specialists are in this section as well too. Obviously we have hands-on safety training. You can reach out to us and schedule hands-on safety training. We'll also give you some information or talk through setting up any Zoom virtual meetings right now or hands-on safety that we can kind of train you virtually with Zoom. Glass information section, a window cleaning field safety guide that's online as well too that you can take advantage of. Some of the technical bulletins, the glass bulletins, and I-14 standard. And so I'm going to go back to glass education really quick, and that's up here as well too. But some of these things are obviously free to everybody. Ghana and NGA put some of these bulletins together for proper procedures for cleaning architectural glass products, proper site protection for construction. So those things are free. They're already on their website. As far as the waiver goes, there's a non-routine cleaning waiver that was actually reviewed by a lawyer. And so members can take advantage of that. If you click on this, it'll actually take you to the membership side. You'll have to log in and you can review that and download it and use it. Some other talking points as well too. Some really useful tools for members and for non-members as well too. Growing your business, there's a lot of technical questions. You can obviously ask questions and folks will get back to you for safety and glass related tools. There's e-newsletter sign up, toolbox talks, and a lot of other things that are just kind of behind the scenes on the membership side when you sign in. And then the annual convention. For join now, you can click on this tab. And the membership categories, it's $199 for intro professional member for your first year. And then we have different levels for production levels and revenue level in your business, just so you have an affordable option to take advantage of. Associate members as well too, 3 different levels. And then our corresponding for schools and those types of folks too. You can also just sign up as a non-member learner, take advantage of some of the classes that are online in Campus IWCA at non-member pricing, which is a lot more expensive, obviously, than just being a member. Okay. So we're going to scroll back up here, join now. Some member benefits that you can actually take advantage of that actually offset the cost to be a member. In fact, QuickBooks alone, this one right here for most of our board members and our committee members have actually saved enough money that cover costs of their membership. And so there are a lot of tools on here we just keep adding to that just make your membership costs really a return on investment. So you have Sunbelt Rentals and some discounts, 30% off of your online QuickBooks, but there's also, if you reach out to them as a member, they'll correspond your IWCA membership number. But the desktop version actually saves you more. I've seen 40 to 70% of savings. So any membership level for this, depending on what kind of QuickBooks you have, actually saves you amount of money that it costs you to be a member. We have ISSA deals. 25% off their membership as an IWCA member. You actually take their GBAC, their coronavirus COVID class at $199 instead of $300. It's actually free now too if you sign up until that deal runs out, but you can actually apply for a scholarship as well. And then their custodial technician classes are discounted as well. ADP, we have Home Advisor, Orcus, and Gym, T-Sheets, Brand Rep, lots of other just ongoing tools that you can use every year as a discount for an IWCA member. And then as an IWCA member, you get first-time gifts from some of these folks: Ederay, ABC, Window Cleaning, Unger, Jay Racenstein. So those gifts obviously save you some money too. And if you want to know how to actually receive those benefits, it's a nice, easy cheat sheet here that you can download. And I'll just show you how to retrieve all those documents or tools. All right. All right. And so in the middle, we have our news feed. We have our links to our OSHA Alliance Safety Guide or safety trainings. So you can click on any of those and just kind of peruse through those things and use some of those tools. In the middle section, you can actually search for certified window cleaners and search for IWCA members. And a lot of times what happens here is property managers and customers will actually find you in here, and you can find anybody on here too that is a certified window cleaner or an IWCA member. Some of our member benefits companies will actually use that tool and look for you on there just to make sure you are a member, or reach out to us. And down at the bottom, we actually have all our associate members, logos and links down there. So reach out to them. Some of them have some great deals for IWCA members, but they are down at the bottom as well. But they're also in our associate member list too. So if you scroll through here, all these folks are associate members, so you can click on any of those links and go to their website to get some discounts if they have any membership deals for you, and to look through those things. All right, so as far as logging in on the membership side, just so you see, so you're going to log in here, you're going to go to this page, and what that's going to take you to is this page, which is your profile page. So it's a members only side. You can download the IWCA logos. You can get on the toolbox, glass information tools that are behind the scenes that are just for members only. And then obviously you can log into Campus IWCA at the discounted rate as well too. You also have to be logged in to have the member discounted rate for the annual convention. So make sure you log in there too. If you scroll up here, I'm going to show you a couple things really quick. So all the same things that are on the main facing page are in here too, but Toolbox and Toolbox Talks have some extra things in here. So for Toolbox, there's a lot of documents in here that you can download as a member and edit for your own company. Delegation techniques, drug testing policies, I-9 forms, customer rain letter to upsell sealing, customer rain letter. There's a COVID customer education cleaning letter, why they need cleaning right now. Just tons of resources in there that you should be using if you're a member. On the Toolbox Talk side, after you log in, all of our Toolbox Talks are in here. So anytime you get that email from us every Tuesday, you can go through here and just download those Toolbox Talks, and they're ready for you to have your employees take them, read through them, study them, and then have their sign-off sheet at the bottom. So tons of tools in there as well too. As far as Campus IWCA goes, you're going to log in here. You're going to go to Campus IWCA. It will take you to your dashboard, which looks like this after you log in. And you can take any of our courses on here. And a lot of these certificate courses or certification courses actually let you just take the course at a discounted price. A lot of times it's like 25% of the cost of a non-membership price. There's 60 or 70 courses in here that you can take as a member at a price that's pretty reasonable. So we're just going to go in the catalog and take a look at it. So here's a list of the courses. So obviously we have the 1-year subscription that you can take any other courses at 1-year subscription price, 6-month subscription. There's a 10-hour general industry. There's a 30-hour general industry in here. Some documents that the Glass Education Committee put together that are in here that you can download as well. Aerial lift and scissor training, boom lift training. We have our certificate courses, certification courses. So our high rise, our commercial ground, route residential, RDS is scaffolding certifications are in here as well. Obviously, if you pass, they create a certificate for you and they print. But there's numerous other things in here. Like I said, there's 60, 70 courses in here that you can actually take advantage of if you get in there and take them. Driver education, electrical safety, our foundations course. Brand new employer retraining every year. This is the easiest, cheapest, most affordable way to get somebody trained up to OSHA standards. So make sure you get in there and take those courses. You can get all your employees certified or a certificate of completion for those courses. You would just be adding an additional member. And so if you need to do that, we'll go back to that page really quick here. So on this page, when you first sign in, if you go to additional learner, anytime you want to add a new learner, you would just fill out this form after you bought those seats for them. Okay, so you just click on that. You just fill this out for your employee and then hit submit, and then our admin would take it and create the account and then add the course to their portal. So again, just lots of other courses that you can take advantage of. And like I said, if you actually use some of these resources, just the member benefits, the free tools that are for you by being a member, you can actually just make your membership money back. And like we always say, we want you to be a member, but we don't want you to be a member if you're not going to use any of these things. You know, be a member, use these things because it makes your money back as a return on investment, but also because your standard of professionalism and safety increases. You know, we see a lot of property managers and RFPs that those documents come through our desk that actually say needs to be an IWCA member to actually put in a bid for this, or needs to be a certified window cleaner to actually clean this building. So those are really important for you as a member. Lots of other hiring and recruiting tools in here for members that are absolutely free. Water-fed pools, safety training is in here. The I-14 standard is in here, so you can download that. Just tons of other resources. So if you have any questions for us, make sure you reach out to our office at any time. You can do that by calling us. You can email info@iwca.org, or you can actually just use this chat feature here, sign in, and somebody will get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day, y'all.